once you twisted the wire, you can apply the same technique as I described beforehand. Instead of using the normal machine for the wire driver, this time you need a universal chuck. Here you go. Okay, all what you do is you go minimal invasive in, you go around the femur or whatever bone you've got, hold it in place, and then add it onto the end of the chuck. And you can do it exactly the same as previously. You go slowly. And you cut the end and you bend it. And now that's just a last tip and trick. So if you bend the end, always twist the end either in the same way as you twisted it. So go around 90 degrees to the backside or sideways. Never turn it contra in the different direction as you twisted the wire. So never go backwards. Always twist it forwards and push it down. Okay, thank you very much.